Student, next question is asking that ionic radii are. First of all, we must think about the ionic. It means two kind of ions. One we are having anion, another one is cation. Do you know in isoelectronic series we are having this sequence that the -3 charge is having -2, size of -3 is greater than -2, -1, then 0, +1, +2, and we are having +3. So we can say that the cations are having less size while the anions are having more size. What is the reason behind this? More electrons are there. Here we can say that the electron repulsion is more here, while we can say that number of proton is more. It means the number, we can say that the Z effective is more here. So lesser the size, more is the Z effective. We can say that radius, order of the radius will be in such way that it is inversely proportional to Z effective nuclear charge. This is the perfect order, not only for the atom but also for the ions. Got it? Now check it. Ionic radius are inversely proportional to effective nuclear charge, and you must know effective nuclear charge is represented by the Z effective here. So you can see here clearly radius is inversely proportional to Z effective. We can say this is what? True option. Next, inversely proportional for about what? Ionic radii are inversely proportional to square of effective nuclear charge. It means what? It is saying that the radius is inversely proportional to square of effective nuclear charge. Not possible. This will be the very much difference. False statement. Next, directly proportional to effective nuclear charge. Not possible, student, because if nuclear charge is increasing, I am drawing here, this is the nucleus. If nuclear charge is increasing, then the negative charge electron will be more attracted towards the nucleus, so the size will shrink here due to effective nuclear charge. So not possible the size will increase here. False statement. Next, directly proportional to the square of effective nuclear charge. Not possible here, because both of these are what? Having inverse relation. More the charge, more the effective nuclear charge, lesser is the size. Cations are having the less size. So all of these are the false statement. Only first statement is true here. That is correct here. Thank you, student. Next question is asking that the size of ionic species is correctly given in the order. You can see here in all the option positive charge is given here. Only the positive charge is given here. Got it? So if we are having isoelectronic series, though the question is based on the positive charge, but I may write here that the order of the size will be in such way that the -3 is having the maximum size, then -2, then -1, then 0, +1, +2, and +3. For cation, we can say that the size will be minimum. So we can reach to a particular conclusion that more the positive charge, lesser will be the size. If positive charge is increasing, then the size will be what? Decreased. Got it? Now you can check it clearly here. All of these are the example of isoelectronic series. Na+1, atomic number 11. If +1 is there, it will be having 10 electron. Next we are having Mg+2. Atomic number 12, why +2? It means 2 electrons are removed, so we can say that the 10 electrons are there. Next we are having the Cl+7. Student, you must know that the atomic number is 17 + 7, it means 7 electrons are removed, so it is isoelectronic with all these. Silicon, atomic number is 14 and +4 charge will say that the 4 electrons are removed, now it is having 10 electron. So all of these are the species of isoelectronic series. So we can say that one thing, cations are having the lesser size, it means more the charge, lesser will be the size. So now just compare it. size of Cl plus 7 while having the more charge cannot be having size more as compared to silicon. Wrong option. More the charge, lesser the size. It means Cl plus 7 is having the maximum plus 7 charge. It must have the minimum size. So the option second is correct here. Plus 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is the perfect order. This is the perfect order here. More the positive charge, maximum size is not possible here. Same here. Both of these are what the wrong. Clear? So this is the perfect order. We may also write in such way that plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and the plus 6. Similarly plus 7. So maximum plus 7 charge is there. It is having minimum size. Lesser the positive charge, more the size. So this is the order. Second option is correct here. Thank you, student.